Wala akong intention na mag-vlog ngayon. Kaya lang, we're here sa Quatogs. Actually, dito dapat kami sa Mercato mamimili. But, dumating yung food. Ang ganda ng presentation, Dai. And the verdict, it's good. Let me give it a try. Yung sa akin is sisig lomi. Yung kay Papski is chami. Let me try the chami first. Ay, okay. It's good. Now, let's do itong lomi. Sisig lomi. Special to. Take over na. It's okay. It's okay. In fairness. Masarap yung chami, no? Panalo guys yung chami. Tsaka yung presentation, nagulat ako, napablog tuloy ako.